ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਅੱਜ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਫਰੀਮੌਂਟ ਵਿਖੇ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਵੈਕਸੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਲਵਾਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਚੱਲ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਲਈ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਹਨ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਤਨਦੇਹੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੇਪਰ ਵਰਕ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੈਕਸੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਰੈਡੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਅੱਜ ਫਰੀਮੌਂਟ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਫਰੀਮੌਂਟ ਮੇਅਰ ਲਿਲੀ ਮੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਸੁਪਰਵਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਵਾਈਸ ਮੇਅਰ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ। So they are here to basically congratulate the volunteers who are working over here.
Hi, good morning. I'm Mayor Lily May from the City of Fremont, and it's my delight to be here this morning. We believe in providing all of our community members not just wellness, but delivering it and being partners with our faith-based groups. And so we're very fortunate to be here today at the Gurdwara, and that we wish everyone has the opportunity to stay healthy and to, whether it's for food insecurity or with vaccinations or testing, these are all services that are critical in these times, and so we're looking forward to partnering with all to be able to deliver it. Thank you so much. Be safe and stay healthy. Blessings to all of you and your congregation.
Thank you, Mayor. So we have our Vice Mayor Yang Shao. How are you doing, sir?
Pretty good. I'm glad to come back to the Gurdwara again. I have always been impressed by your hospitality and your community services, not only before the pandemic, but also during the pandemic for the food drive and everything. But today I can see that this is well beyond what we typically describe as hospitality and community service.
Here, Dr. Gurraj Singh Bedi, right here, and President Daljeet Kaur, she's RN, and Dr. Davinder, and she's my wife, she's RN, Talvinder. So these are all volunteers. Doctors and nurses, typically they don't have that much time, but they love to come and serve. So whatever you see here, mostly this whole operation is run by the volunteers. And we really appreciate them, and we really appreciate you coming here.
I just interviewed one of the group that came even from Tracy to get shots. And so your service and your kindness actually extends to the local and the neighboring communities, and it'll be remembered not only by the city but also be appreciated by all people in the Bay Area.
Thank you, Vice Mayor. So we have our Councilman Rick Jones. Good morning, Rick.
Good morning, everybody. How are you? Thank you all for being here. This is such a wonderful community. You guys have always been so supportive of our residents. I've been here for over 40 years. I've been involved with your community for 40 years in one way or another, sometimes on a different side, but your graciousness and your generosity has always been much appreciated. You've taken care of people in every event that we've had. You're out at 4th of July, you're passing out water on a hot day to participants and to people who are looking at the parade go by. You're providing food services every day for people who are in need. And it's just an amazing thing that this community does, and we're so appreciative. So thank you, and keep up the good work.
Thank you, Councilman Rick. Mr. Kashmir Singh from Sikhs for Humanity, he runs the Scope also. So, Mr. Kashmir Singh, any words, any thoughts you want to share with the audience?
Just the humbleness, just a blessing of the Guru. This is nothing more than His grace, we are able to serve the community. And this is not something we are doing as a favor. This is actually the obligation we have. This is the order of the Guru that we need to share time, we need to share the resources with other people. And I'm delighted to see all the communities coming together to handle this crisis. And we pray everybody is well. COVID situation gets better, and everybody enjoys the time.
Thank you, Mr. Kashmir.
How's it going? Good. There is no fire going on. The Alameda County Fire is just here to appreciate the volunteers of all this vaccination drive. So on behalf of the Sikh Temple, Sikh Gurdwara, we appreciate the fire department and firefighters of this country I give a round of applause for the fire department. Hi.
Thank you for having
very
us.
much for coming.
Yeah, it's our pleasure.
So
Hello.
this-
Hi.
Hello, how are
you? I'm well. Thank you so much
See you as well. Thank you.
It's our pleasure. Thank you for doing all this. I heard you served 22,000.
23,000 overall at 6 locations. This particular Gurdwara we serve 7,000. This is
Excellent.
6 weeks we are doing during the COVID season. We were doing first the food drive and other drives, and so now we are doing this. Good thing is, please, even though the situation is bad, but I see the communities coming together. The best part is there is no one nationality here, there is no one religion here. This is all basically humans. These are all Americans, all coming together. All the volunteers here, they are actually coming from all the ages. Youth is taking care of the registration, and then we have doctors and physicians and nurses from the community. They come help us. So this whole operation is run by the volunteers. Yes.
Well, we appreciate all the effort that all the volunteers have been doing to serve the members of this community. It helps not only the members of this community, but it also helps our fire service, right? It helps us do a better job as well. So thank you so much for doing this. Much appreciated.
And on behalf of the community, while we are appreciating your efforts in the relief, we also like you to know that we are standing by in case there is any need. Whether you need food, whether you need the people resources or any other essential items, we are a call away. Just let us know.
Thank
the
you.
community is always there to help. So consider us as a partner.
We do. Thank you. We will. Yes, very much. Thank you.